Hello everybody, welcome back to Half Torqued. Today we are in the shop with the Audi S3 again. Oh shoot. This is part 2 of the ECS tuning series where we're taking the Audi S3 and making it better than an RS3.
Ooh.
Yeah?
Is that what we're doing?
Basically.
I like that.
I hope so.
You hope so?
Today we are doing the intercooler. Look at that. Look at that huge thing. Look at that huge thing. We would paint it, but the bumper won't show the intercooler, so there's no point.
It's a weird setup, right, Devin? It's like sandwiched between
between the AC condenser and the radiator.
That weird?
Like we gotta, without disconnecting the AC lines, pull the bumper off, disconnect all the headlights and stuff, pull those out, disconnect the whole core support and swing it out without disconnecting those lines and then get it out in between those.
It's gonna be fun.
So what we've learned in this series is that BMWs are better. We've also got the piping, and then there's something under there that I won't show you.
I don't agree with the BMW thing being better.
And he's just
they're just not better.
Right now. High pressure fuel pump. And there's the
I'm
flex.
gonna reuse this rusty unit. I'm just taking it apart and replacing the internals so that it can pump more fuel.
Ooh. Today we gonna be pumping. You know what I'm saying? We were trying something new with audio today, so if you just can't hear us, I'll just put captions. Enjoy the video.
They're gonna hear us. They're gonna hear us. It's gonna work because we're intelligent people. We didn't have the mic ever plugged into the wrong outlet because we don't.
We were like, oh man, the audio sucks. We should use our other mic. And then we realized that we weren't even using the first mic in the first place, but we're still trying the other mic. So
I think it's Peanut's fault.
I think everything is Peanut's fault. Yeah.
Literally everything is Peanut. That's why she's not here. She was embarrassed.
Exactly. Yeah. She's just been such a disgrace to the shop. So yeah, we're just having to kick her out, and well, she got kicked out of the house, right?
Oh yeah, she's homeless now.
Long gone.
Yeah.
Yep. All right. Enjoy.
CPS is gonna call me. So what is it you're doing?
Pulling this little piece off. I'm gonna try, huh?
So that's like a valve spring compressor.
Yeah, this is for like head work.
It's an excellent idea.
That I can do a lot better. If it hasn't already been done,
That little collar is off. It's press fit.
Nice.
This was removed from here. This was holding that on. And then this piece was press fit on there. So I had to take 2 screwdrivers to unpress fit it on there. These 2 things don't get used, spring gets reused. This goes in there like that. Yes, it's designed to fit a little loose. And that, I gotta undo that, but I gotta go stick it in the vise.
all that's to do what?
That's how we put the high pressure fuel pump internals into that thing. So we can run more horsepowers through the motors.
Oh, well, you just said that.
Yeah.
It's horsepower motor things.
Yeah.
Okay, well that makes more sense.
That's exactly what's happening.
I don't need wires, parts, thingies. I need horsepower to power. Good. You see? This is our new tools. These are our new tools. Sorry, English. KNIPEX. We have confirmed that that is the proper pronunciation.
Is it?
I think so. I mean, they have a shirt with it. Look at that. This stuff is really high quality. I'm happy to throw out our other stuff in lieu of this stuff. We can't wait to use them. Might use them today.
I'm sure we're gonna use them.
Okay,
Let's go.
this is MTV. Welcome to my crib.
This room is a wreck.
Yes.
It's in the oh, hey Enzo. We're in the process of redoing a lot. Did you already break it loose?
Yep. Good.
Yeah, just in the spirit of being clean, let's not finish it here.
That's, yep. I feel like we came in here for nothing.
Yep, pretty much.
And putting this one in.
Okay, you can say it again.
Say it again?
Yeah.
All right. So what's the benefits of taking this old one out and putting this new one in?
More pressure.
Low pressure?
More pressure, more power. Oh.
Got a lighter? Can we light it on fire?
No.
What?
Oh.
I'm gonna. I wanna.
recompress the spring and put the other thing back on.
Springy spoon, retain.
Like kid late?
Now we are putting it on the car. That's the easy part.
Re-put these one-time use bolts in.
Okay. So if something says one-time use, just use it again.
Yep.
Okay.
Like condoms.
On to the intercooler.
One of the features of Audi is you have your own ice cube tray built into the grill.
Yeah, check this out.
For that desperate price, it's a little work to get.
Yeah, but if you got an extra one laying around that you can fit in your freezer, might just cut all that off and sell it on Amazon. Luxury Audi ice cube tray.
Well, look who it is.
Finally.
Hey.
Hey.
How's it going? It's pretty good. How's your day? Yeah, that already looks better. This whole thing is to come off and swing out of your way.
Just breaking the tabs off the factory intercooler so it comes apart easier.
You, the guy she told you not to worry about.
Much bigger.
Yeah, that's not more than twice the thickness is there.
The intercooler has been installed behind this thing, but it is sandwiched here between this thing. So,
See, look, you can see it here. You see it through me. You can't see it.
So while we're trying to finish up the intercooler, this guy can't wait. Wants to put in his key cord. Here's one turbo, the other turbo.
oh no, it fell off.
If only our electrician would finish wiring up our lights.
Yeah.
So unfortunately we did forget to film an outro for this video, but what I do know is that he's been running this stuff on the car for a couple days now, and it's been absolutely incredible. I believe he just got his E85 tune as well, and the car is just like fully woken up. It's been super incredible. The ECS parts are like super high quality, higher quality than I thought they would be. I mean, they're really incredible, and they're better than brands that I'm not gonna mention, but higher brands that are much more expensive for no reason, it seems. So we absolutely recommend ECS. There should be another video. We've got a couple more things to do to Devin's car. I believe we're doing lowering springs and a sway bar, still from ECS Tuning, all incredible stuff, and they sell so much. Their whole catalog will do up your whole entire car. It's really incredible. So we've got more content to come with that car for sure. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.